Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can get unbanned from Omegle. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to search on the Google Omegle and open that. And if your account get locked for any reason, so how you can get unblocked? The only method to unblock the Omegle is to have a VPN. So the best VPN is NordVPN that I personally use. So you simply need to buy this VPN and you can get the best plan in the link that I mentioned in the description, and you simply need to use that VPN. And once you use that VPN, you can easily unblock yourself from Omegle. So this is a process by which you can get unbanned from Omegle. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.